Classification. Classification is a machine learning task that identifies the class to which an instance belongs. Classification involves training a model to predict qualitative target. In classification algorithm, the output has predefined labels that has discrete value. The goal is to predict discrete values that belongs to particular class and evaluate on basis of accuracy. Classification workflow. Inputs are divided into two or more classes and outputs are discrete. Collect training data. Assemble features. Instance a classifier. Sets its parameter. Train the classifier. Classify the image using classifier. Estimate classification. Validate algorithm with the classifier model, regression. In regression algorithm, the output has a continuous value that is not restricted to defined separated value. Regression predicts a value as close to the actual output value as possible and evaluates it by calculating error value. The error value is inversely proportional to accuracy of model. When to use regression. Regression involves finding the best fit straight line through the plotted points. If the target variable is a continuous numeric variable, then use regression algorithms. We can predict a continuous dependent variable from a number of independent variables y equal to w multiplied by x plus b. This shows the relationship between y, which is dependent variable, and x is independent variable.